Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious white sauce chow mein. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need chow mein noodles, your choice of protein like chicken or shrimp, and fresh vegetables such as cabbage and carrots. We'll also prepare the simple yet flavorful white sauce using chicken broth, cornstarch, and a hint of soy sauce. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Begin by preparing your chow mein noodles. Boil them until they are perfectly al dente, then drain thoroughly. Next, stir-fry your protein, whether it's 4 ounces of chicken or succulent shrimp, until it's completely cooked through. Finally, quickly sauté your vegetables, perhaps 2 cups of crisp cabbage and carrots, until they are tender crisp, retaining their vibrant color and texture. The heart of this dish is the white sauce. In a bowl, whisk together 1 cup of chicken broth, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of sugar until smooth. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in your wok, then add 1 clove of minced garlic and a 1/4 cup of sliced onion, sautéing until fragrant. Pour in the broth mixture, stirring continuously until the sauce beautifully thickens to a glossy, perfect consistency. Almost there. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add your perfectly cooked noodles, the stir-fried protein, and the sautéed vegetables directly into the wok with the luscious white sauce. Gently toss all the ingredients, ensuring every strand of noodle and every piece of vegetable is beautifully coated. Serve your delightful homemade white sauce chow mein immediately to enjoy its fresh, vibrant flavors and wonderful texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.